Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve resolution on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve resolution on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Discord. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.